Guys, this is your traveler friend Amit Mishra and you're watching Amit Traveler. I met this wonderful couple. They are from Belgium and she's Gail.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, I can pronounce your name. And here is Colin.
Easier.
Yeah, easier, very easy name. And oh yeah, they are giving, yeah, they gave me the ride to Ajuy and thanks to them.
You're welcome.
When you guys are in Ajuy, make sure you have some local seafood here at the local restaurants, which are really very delicious. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Brother. It was nice meeting you.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
See you.
See you. Bye. Ciao.
You in Germany or
Yeah,
India,
ciao, ciao.
right?
Yeah, sure. We will meet. Thanks for the ride. Bye. I had a hitchhike ride with the Belgium couple who are really very adorable. The place I'm going now is called as Arco de las Penitas. From this church, you need to take a round this path. So guys, I'm almost there. There is no proper path marked or anything to arrive at this destination. This is the living area with an open kitchen. You can bring your own stuff and then cook your food here. This is the other room.